Okay. Oh, are you guys here to learn about this groundbreaking discovery? Well, it is, in that it's a discovery in an animal that breaks ground. Richardson's ground squirrel, everyone. What can I tell you about them? Okay, well, they're squirrels, and they live in the ground. But also, they've got amazing brains. Right? Those little idiots that run underneath your car? Their brains are doing something that we do not understand. So during the breeding season, males and females have a similar sized hippocampus. That's just a brain region that's important for spatial memory, so remembering where things are in space. But as they move to the non-breeding season, males get this enlarged hippocampus, and we have no idea how they're doing this. If we can figure that out, we get this amazing look into plasticity, and that just means how the brain changes over time. It's a really kind of key area of research in this day and age. So I knew it wasn't going to be easy, but I thought, hey, I'm going to go for it and try to figure this out. So that's what we did. We collected specimens around Lethbridge, and we Golgi stained their brains. And Golgi stain is really interesting because it only stains neurons, right? The functional unit of the brain. So that first slide, that's some stained tissue with a stained neuron in it. I can trace that, and then we're just left with these tracings, and they're just full of information that we can extract. So we can see, are these cells becoming larger? Is that what's causing this change in the brain? Or are they staying the same size? And that would suggest they're becoming more numerous. Either way, we are going to tease out what the mechanisms of this change are. And I'm really excited about that, and hey, I think you should be too. All right, let me make my point. If we can figure out how these animals are doing this, right, why they are doing it, and the mechanisms allowing for it, we get this unprecedented look into plasticity in the brain. And if we can understand that, right, how brain regions can grow, how they can shrink, and maybe even eventually how we can cause this, then this is going to be key in the fight against neurodegenerative diseases and brain trauma. So there's a potential for some far-reaching impacts of this research. But I want to leave you guys with 2 key points, okay? 2 things that I want you to take home. 1, ground squirrels live in the ground. Okay, write that down if you can. If you got time, that's a takeaway. Number 2 is that there's some fantastic research going on at this institution. Right, and some of the most fundamental and foundational research of all time has come from unexpected places on unexpected animals. And I can't say that that's what my research is going to be. But at the very least, I can hope it is. Right, these animals are growing their brains, so why can't we? Thank you so much.